What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Scott, aka the Car Tech. Hey, who do I got today? I got my helper. He's been in quite a few of my videos over the years, starting when he was just a little dude. Now, hey Jack, say hi. Stand up and say hi. What do we say? Welcome back to my channel.
Back to my channel.
Yep. So how old are you now, dude?
9.5.
You're 9.5. You're getting so huge. Anyways, Jack's helping me doing my sister-in-law's car. She's got a brake fluid leak. So Jack's helping me lift the car up because I don't have my jack anymore. Somehow it disappeared. But anyways, there's a leak in one of the brake lines under here on the driver's side front. So I'm going to go in there and show you how to do it. First off, we're going to jack it up just a little bit, and then we're going to break the lug nuts loose, and then we'll lift it up the rest of the way, pull the wheel off, and I'll show you where we're at once we get the wheel off. All right, so we got the car jacked up a little bit. We're going to break the lug nuts loose. Now we're just going to break them loose. We just got to give it a little bit. It's not super difficult to do, but we want it still attached to the ground, because if it's not attached to the ground, it's a lot harder to do without like an impact wrench. Impact gun. So it's like the old-fashioned way of doing stuff my grandpa taught me 30 years ago when we first started working on cars. So now that we got that broken loose, now we can lift it up the rest of the way. Now we got it off the ground. Now all we got to do is just pull the lug nuts off, and this is like one of the easiest things in the world to do. So just get them a little loose, and then they'll come off by hand. I like to leave the top one on. When I leave the top one on, it doesn't let the tire fall off. So, but if you keep your foot right here in front of the tire, it'll keep it from moving. So once we get it off far enough, super easy, right, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember working on Grandma's car a long time ago?
Yeah.
You were such a little guy then.
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe how far you've come, bud. Alright, now we pull the wheel off, and voila. Okay, now we got the wheel off, so you can see all sorts of brake fluid in there. There's a drip coming off of this line. Don't really see much or see brake fluid anywhere else, so I'm betting that it's coming from somewhere like right here, because there was a drip coming off of this right here. You can see it's there's brake fluid right there. So we're gonna try and see if that's exactly where the leak is. All right, so I put some more brake fluid in it, and so I'm having my sister-in-law Felicity get in and push the go ahead and push the brake pedal. Okay, let it out. Oh, there we go. Yep, it's coming out. So where is it coming from? Can you push it again? Oh, there it is. There's the hole right there. It's just right there. There it is. Nice little crack in it. So this is going to be super easy. We're going to get this done fairly easily, and hopefully it's not going to be super expensive. So okay guys, I got the brake line. It was more expensive than I thought it was. $38 freaking for this thing. Inflation, huh? Anyways, so we're replacing that line. So we're going to pull this thing off, pull the line off. So right here, and then we're also going to take this off right here, undo it from here, and it pops out of there. Then we'll pop the new one on, and then we'll bleed it, and then we'll see how that does. We may require some additional bleeding. Should have had her get some brake pads. I could have replaced her brake pads. I didn't even think about that. Oh well, she's still got a little bit left. So all right guys, so I got the new brake line on. If you're doing this and never done it before, make sure you look up the manufacturer's spec for torque on lines and stuff. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't do this. Just seriously, just don't. So I opened up the brake line, and now I'm just letting it bleed out real quick. Just gravity bleed real quick. Shouldn't take very long. Then we'll. All right, we got got it bled, so we got a nice firm pedal. Now we're gonna just go on a little test drive, see how it worked out. And all right, guys. Well, that did the trick. That's all that we needed. So we're good to go. Stop's great now. So. Anyways, like I said, don't try this at home if you've never done anything like this before. Trust someone who's, knows brakes, like me, ASE certified brake technician. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions in the comment. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.